Okay, so this is something that Mama Cho approved. And also, I've been raving it about to everyone around me, including Derek Oppa. Let me show you my current go-to products to fade dark spots and hyperpigmentation fast. First up is a toner step. I'm using Mastina White Mastic Ampoule Facial Mist as a toner. It has this beautiful orange color with sea buckthorn oil. It gives you that refreshing hydration with main skin benefits to diminish dark spots and promote clear skin. It's the perfect size for me to take it with me everywhere. As the weather gets more cold and dry in Korea, usually other mists can make my skin even more dry afterwards, but since this contains sea buckthorn oil, it's very moisturizing. It works great under or on top of makeup. Up next is the key product of this routine, Mastina Mastic Ampoule Serums. They have the same formula in two different types, a roller type and a Spoid type. The roll-on massaging stick is everything. It's so easy to use, and just with one pump, you can massage the areas that you want to target. Since this is one of the most effective products I've discovered for intensive brightening care, I really love focusing on the high cheekbone area to fade unwanted sunspots, blemishes, acne scars, and more. And Mama Cho also loves the Spoid type, especially it's amazing for busy mornings. And as you guys know, Mama Cho is super picky when it comes to skincare, and she's in her 70s, so she said that it's really challenging to find a product that she can really see good results with, and she loves the serum. If you're also looking for a good sheet mask for the upcoming fall season, check out Mastina White Mastic Ampoule Sheet Mask. This has a very thick, slimy kind of texture that looks like this, but the finish itself is not tacky, which I love. Especially for dry, dehydrated skin, it will just drink up all the goodness. And also, let's not forget the whole line from Mastina that I talked about today is focused on intensive concentration to fade hyperpigmentation fast. You can get these Mastina products on Amazon US right now. Here's a code for my unicorns if you guys are interested. See you guys in the next one. Bye!